A severe winter storm is set to bring heavy snow and ice and strong winds to parts of Michigan Monday and into Tuesday. A storm system strengthening over the upper Great Lakes will bring moderate to heavy snow to Michigan's Upper Peninsula through Tuesday morning. The National Weather Service's Marquette office said a winter storm warning is in effect until 11 a.m. Tuesday. Total snow accumulations will range between 2 and 9 inches, with the highest from Painesdale south to Keweenaw, and inland from Ontonagon and northwest Gogebic counties. Several videos circulating on social media show areas already experiencing severe weather since Monday.
Why is it snowing when it's spring? When that Michigan weather is just insane, because why is it snowing when it's spring?
Snow showers and rain are expected Monday night, with the rain changing to snow after 9 p.m. with 4 to 7 inches possible. Wind gusts from Monday through Wednesday will be strongest Tuesday, the Weather Service said, reaching 41 miles per hour in Alpena, Boyne City, Sheboygan, Gaylord and Petoskey. Authorities have appealed to the public to remain vigilant and careful when carrying out outdoor activities due to the extreme weather conditions that have hit the region over the past few days.
Northern Michigan. I've been here since Wednesday taking care of my mom. There's some birds I just...
When that Michigan weather is just insane, because why is it snowing when it's spring?